What if you could create an entire professional ebook using only AI? No design skills, no writing experience, no complicated software. First, open ChatGPT. Then ask it to generate a detailed ebook creation prompt. Be specific about everything: the title, topic, number of pages, layout, and even the file format you want. The more detailed your instructions are, the better the final ebook will look. Once ChatGPT generates the professional prompt, copy it and paste it into Gemini. Now wait a few moments, and Gemini will generate a complete ebook for you in PDF format. You can review the pages, improve sections, rewrite text, or refine the design anytime you want. You can even upload your own images and ask Gemini to integrate them into the ebook professionally. And it doesn't stop there. You can also convert the ebook into PowerPoint slides, Word documents, presentations, and more. All of this without needing professional experience. AI is changing the way content is created forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.